Okay guys, so step one for the Arapuca bird trap is tying a string between two sticks like this. Then you set this down and flip it over. Boom. From there you're just sliding the sticks in like I'll be showing you. For timing's sake here, I went ahead and set this all up already. And once you're at this point, take your sticks, stick them in, pull them out here. And you just keep adding your sticks. Each stick you add adds a little more tension to it. And the more tension you got, the sturdier it'll stay. Just add more and more sticks all the time. Separate them, even it all out as you go. Just going back and forth. And you'll feel it as you're putting these sticks in. It'll get tighter and tighter, harder and harder to put the sticks in, and then it'll start holding itself together a lot better too. Pretty soon, the last couple sticks that go in are going to be really, like, hard to get in. Grab a couple of a little bit smaller ones here. Like I said, then you adjust it, make it all even. And then you can grab it, move it around, shake it. So now that I got my trap built, I can go ahead and place my two bait sticks right there. Place this like this. That towards the inside of the trap. Okay. Now that you have the bait sticks all set up, I can move you towards it a little bit better. If you look, you can see how it's all set there. And how this trap actually triggers is the bird comes in wherever it happens to come in, because the bait's in between those two sticks, and if either one of those sticks are dislodged, the whole trap comes down, which captures your bird inside. And the straighter your sticks are and the smaller your sticks are, the less distance you'll have between all the bars. So I appreciate you watching this, and to the Boy Scout leader that had contacted me and asked me about this, I'm sorry I don't remember your name, but I remembered to do a short video on it. So thank you for watching, and hope you like it.